Hello guys, my name is Gabe from Fredericton Hyundai. In this video I am going to show you a full video of the 2026 Hyundai Palisade Ultimate Calligraphy. So let's start. So in this video I am going to show you all the features of this 2026 Palisade Ultimate Calligraphy. 26 Palisade is a full brand new model since 2000 as a 2026 model and have many features, and Ultimate Calligraphy is the top of the line of the Palisade lineup. This one that I am recording this video is a very nice black color. The color is Abyss black, and I am going to show you all the features. As I mentioned to you, it's a full brand new design. If you see from here, the daylight time running lights are this side, and then the low beams and high beams are here. The Ultimate Calligraphy like this one, this line is full LED, and I am going to show you later when the car is on. And here we have those flaps that opens to take air and put more air inside the engine to make more cooler. Take a look from this side, looks nice. Have those specific for the Ultimate Calligraphy, those specific 21-inch rims with Pirelli Scorpion all-season tires. Then the calligraphy like this one have at the bottom, as you see, and here too, and also at the top too, like a chrome detail, including the roof rails, as you see, including this arc that is here. Also this nice rear spoiler that have full LED here, and also this shark fin antenna. Also the treatment for the like chrome or silver is here at the bottom too, and also here too. The typography is like a chrome or silver, as you see. Then this car has many cameras, as you see. Have a camera here, have a camera here, and then at the sides too. When you approach to the car with the key fob, the exterior mirrors open. Also there is another cameras here and here too. Let's continue to the back. Now the calligraphy, the Palisade, depending of the trim, have the trailer hitch included, and is here, and is here at the bottom. I don't know if you see here, and also the spare tire too. That trailer hitch feature is available for 26 Palisade, depending of the trim. I think the last Hyundai car that have from or SUV from the factory with the trailer hitch was the old Santa Fe XL. Take a look here, the space. Sorry if have those mats. Very good, more amount of space compared to the previous version. This is the subwoofer of the premium stereo system. Here we have the tools, and then here we have a 12-volt outlet, another speaker, and here this nice feature. You can, for 26 Palisade, you can fold down, fold up second and third row using this key fob, and also move forward or backward the seats for second and third row, and also with one button all at the same time. That is a very nice feature. Full LED interior light, and also sweat, because this is the Ultimate Calligraphy. And here we have this nice bar, and also you can close the trunk or close and lock, and also this nice chrome detail, the 12-volt outlet, Let's go here to show you the third row from this side. Take a look here, the third row, because it's a calligraphy, have full leather. Take a look, the full LED interior, also air vents. Also we have cup holders, and finally for the third row we have the third row with heated seats. Also many USB ports around the car at the side, but these ones are 100 watts that have a fast charging, and also if you have a laptop that supports charging by USB Type-C port, you can charge in those ports. Take a look from this side. The speakers here, and also this is a sensors in case someone opened the door and there is a car near. It will make a noise. Also we have those nice covers. Then the seats are the second row also are full electric, and include a full flat you can make the seats full flat, and also with those nice armrests. Here we have a 115 volt outlet. Then there is a place you can open this box. Again, more 100 volt USB Type-C ports for fast charging. And then here you can control the seat to move forward or backward in case you want more space. That is a very nice feature. Again, full LED interior lights, more air vents, and this is the independent climate zone for the second row. You can for the second row, heated seats, ventilated seats, and also control the fan and many other features. This is a very nice interior, more space to the previous Palisade. As you see, I have very good amount of space, and also here the pockets. Also these nice handles, and if you notice it here, the design of the door, this remember me, this handle specifically remembers me the Hyundai Ioniq 9, and we have full ambience lighting. I will show you later about that. Then let's go to the second row. By the way, take a look the chrome steps Palisade. Here the second row with keyless entry, with push start, keyless entry, and also you have a digital key. You can use your phone as a key to open the car, or a card that is inside the glove box that I am going to show you later. Take a look the seats, full luxurious. I don't know if you noticed those chrome details at the back too, at the second row here too, and the calligraphy typography on the seats. Driver and passenger full electric. The driver seat with 2 memories, chrome details around here the windows, controls for the windows and exterior mirrors and handles. Both seats you can put completely flat, and in case of the driver and passenger, you have relaxation mode. We have here the controls for windows, for the seats. I am going to turn on the engine push start button is here. So here the controls for the windows and exterior mirrors, for the brightness of the cluster, open the trunk, turn off the auto start stop, for towing, parking brake and traction control off. We have here the full a brand new infotainment system for the 2026 Palisade. This is the CCNC infotainment with many features. When you put the signal to the left or right, you have the blind spot camera, and also you can change the information in the middle, as you see. Then we have here the lights with auto mode, and also the front and rear wipers, the front one with rain sensors. Here we have controls for the cruise control with proximity and line assist, and also This is for change the information in the middle. In this one, switch 2, and this one have line assist level 2, that in case you put your increase control and you activate the signals, if you put the left signal and there is no cars in the left side, the car will move by itself. This is a sensor for that monitor you if you are distracting or you are sleeping. Here we have controls for the phone and radio, and here the steering wheel with full leather, paddle shifts if you drive in sport mode. The gearbox is here with drive, reverse, neutral, and parking. We have here this infotainment system that have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay wireless. Finally, this feature, navigation. This Palisade have many features, but the one that I am going to focus is in some, like for example in the seats. You can control the warming of the seats in this side, and also the ventilation too for the second and third row, depending of the feature, second, third row, or first, second, depending of the combination, as you see. And then we have dashcam for calligraphy. We have the dashcam available, so you can record a video or photos of every angle of the car, including motion detection. And also, for example, this one in this video, if you see this video, this is a video of the dashcam recorded. Have many features that you can customize for the dashcam, and also a live view. And there are many features of this car, but I am explaining you the most principal ones. Auto hold, drive and terrain modes. When you are in drive and you switch the toggle, take a look what happened. The design and the design change depending of your drive modes, and when you have terrain modes, as you see. Then shortcuts for the infotainment system, including volume and tuning. Those air vents that you can regulate too. Then independent climate zone, driver and passenger, front ventilated, front heated seats, and also with many options. And you can also control the second row temperature too, as you see here, and sync everything. Place to put things here, 12-volt outlet, more space here at the bottom. Here we have this fixed armrest that is huge. A normal USB Type-C port, more 100 watts charging ports, glove box, cup holders, and this is if you want to activate the UVC sanitizer that is here in the middle. And this armrest opens like this. We have this nice detail with the ambience lighting, and also here the glove box. I forgot to mention that in case of the interior lighting, you can change up to 64 colors. Then full black interior, because we are in the black interior. There is also a light gray and also like a light brown color. And then we have here the controls to open the panel roof, as you see, and here the sunroof. The panel roof only open the curtain, and the sunroof you can open the sunroof by itself too. Here we have the sun visors with mirrors and LED interior lights. This is if you want to activate the manual recording of the dashcam. As I remember, have a 64 gigabytes SD card, but you can upgrade to 512 gigabytes. I forgot to mention also the Bose premium stereo system. Yeah, that is a main overview about this amazing Palisade. I forgot to mention a couple of things. If you do this, you have the rear camera, and also when when you turn on the cameras, you can see a 360, a aerial, front and rear, and also the head-up display too. And yeah, that is a main overview about the Palisade. And let me show you the engine. And here the engine. Still, for the gas one, is still 6-cylinder, but instead of 3.8 is 3.5, and have the same horsepower but less gas consumption. And let me show you also the Palisade Ultimate Calligraphy, like this one. With the key fob, you can lock, unlock, turn on the car remotely, the horn, open the trunk and move forward or backward the car. So that is for the parking feature, and I am going to move forward or backward the car. In case you are in a tight spot, you can use the key fob to do that. And let me show you how the LED looks. As you notice, it is very nice. Let me move forward a little bit, so how the full LED looks, and then let me show you from the back too. Take a look how it looks with the full LED lights. Looks amazing and very modern, as you see. I like this full LED stripe at the rear spoiler. And well, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to let me know. And have a great day.